Did you know? A healthy breakfast not only gives you energy, but can also prevent disease and prolong your life. Today, let's explore super nutritious breakfast dishes that help you live a healthy, long, and youthful life. Let's get started. Ranked 10th is fruit salad. Fruit salad is not only a delicious, easy-to-make breakfast dish, but also brings many health benefits, helping to prolong life. To make this dish, we need to prepare ingredients including seasonal fruits or favorite fruits, but should have the following groups to ensure nutritional balance. Fruits rich in antioxidants: blueberries, strawberries, grapes, pomegranates. Fruits rich in vitamin C: oranges, kiwis, pineapples. Fruits rich in fiber and potassium: bananas, apples, pears. Good fats: walnuts, almonds, or chia seeds. Natural sweeteners to choose from: honey or yogurt unsweetened. How to prepare fruit: wash, peel if necessary, and cut into bite-sized pieces. Next, mix the yogurt with a little honey to make the juice. Then, you just need to pour the fruit into a bowl. Drizzle the sauce on top and enjoy it to keep the freshness and nutrition, so you have a perfect and nutritious breakfast. Enjoy your meal. Benefits of fruit salad are rich in antioxidants, supports healthy digestion and gut, reduces risk of chronic disease, maintains ideal weight, improves mood and memory. At number 9, we come to lotus seed porridge. A bowl of lotus seed porridge in the morning not only helps you have a light, easy-to-digest meal, but also brings many wonderful health benefits, helping to prolong life. Let's find out how to make it. Ingredients include 100 g of rice, 50 g of fresh lotus seeds, soaked for 2 to 3 hours, 1 liter of water, 100 g of minced meat, 1 carrot, seasoning, salt, pepper, green onions, olive oil. The simple preparation method is as follows. Clean the rice. You can soak it for about 30 minutes to make the porridge cook faster. Boil the lotus seeds for about 10 minutes to remove the bitter taste. Chop the carrots to increase the natural sweetness. Then put the lotus seeds and carrots in the pot, add water, and cook over medium heat, stirring well to avoid the porridge from burning. Cook until the porridge is cooked, about 30 to 40 minutes. Then add the minced meat, seasoned to taste. And we're done, my dear friends. Lotus seeds contain alkaloids and flavonoids that help calm the nerves, reduce stress, aid sleep, maintain youthful skin, and prevent premature aging. Potassium and magnesium in lotus help reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. Protein, fiber, and vitamin B help increase resistance, nourish blood, especially good for the elderly and weak people. Ranked at number 8 is avocado and salmon bread. Ingredients and how to make needed are 1 slice of bread, toast until crispy, 50 g smoked salmon or pan-fried salmon, 1 ripe avocado mashed, a little pepper, sea salt. Then you just need to spread butter on the bread. Place the salmon on top, sprinkle pepper, squeeze lemon, and enjoy. Avocado and salmon bread is a smart choice for a nutritious breakfast. Omega-3 from salmon combined with vitamin E and folate in avocado helps enhance memory, reduce stress, and the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Avocado is rich in antioxidants that help protect the skin from the harmful effects of free radicals. Whole wheat bread is rich in fiber, combined with chia seeds to help the digestive system work smoothly, while creating a feeling of fullness for a long time, supporting the maintenance of body shape. This is the perfect dish to help strengthen cardiovascular health, improve brain function, and support longevity. Ranked at number 7 is banana pancakes. Bananas are rich in natural carbohydrates that provide long-lasting energy. without causing a sudden spike in blood sugar. The fiber from bananas and oatmeal helps maintain a healthy digestive system, prevent constipation, and support beneficial intestinal bacteria. Bananas contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, while oatmeal helps reduce bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Tryptophan in bananas helps the body produce serotonin, a hormone that improves mood, helps reduce stress, and enhances memory and longevity. Ingredients to make banana pancakes include 2 ripe bananas mashed, 2 chicken eggs, 1 cup oatmeal, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. The next step is to mix the ingredients, including 2 ripe bananas mashed, and eggs, oatmeal, baking powder, honey, cinnamon in a bowl. Stir well until the mixture is smooth. At this point, you just need to bake or fry the above mixture by heating the pan, brushing a thin layer of coconut oil, pouring each spoonful of the mixture into the pan, and cooking over medium heat. When bubbles appear on the surface of the cake, flip the cake and fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Perfectly completed, you have a nutritious breakfast. Enjoy while hot. Ranked at number 6 is fried eggs with butter and vegetables. Ingredients for making buttered vegetable omelette include 2 eggs, 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon olive oil, greens, optional spinach, kale, lettuce, broccoli, seasoning, sea salt, black pepper, chia seeds or flax seeds. Avocado and vegetable fried eggs are a nutritious breakfast that energizes the body, boosts heart health, improves brain function, and prolongs life. The 4 specific benefits of this dish are: 1. Supports the heart and reduces inflammation. Avocados and olive oil contain monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and improve blood circulation. Green vegetables are rich in natural nitrates, which help regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. 2. Enhances brain function and improves memory. Eggs contain choline, an important nutrient for brain development and memory. Omega-3 from chia seeds or flax seeds helps protect nerve cells, reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. 3. Improves digestion and weight control. Fiber from green vegetables and avocados helps the digestive system function well, preventing constipation. This dish provides long-lasting energy, helps reduce cravings, and supports weight control. 4. Anti-aging and skin beautification. Vitamin E from avocado and eggs helps protect the skin from the effects of UV rays, keeping the skin smooth and youthful. Vitamin C and lutein from green vegetables help regenerate skin cells, slowing down the aging process. Fried eggs with avocado and vegetables is a simple, easy-to-make breakfast dish, but brings countless health benefits. Add this dish to your daily menu to enjoy a healthier life. 5. Whole grain cereal with nut milk. Whole grain cereal with nut milk is a nutritious, healthy, and easy-to-prepare breakfast, bringing many health benefits and helping to live longer. Adding this dish to your daily menu will help you protect your heart, maintain your figure, enhance your brain, and prevent aging, contributing to building a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. Try it now to feel the positive change.